I used to say very careful for that thing, and even my coach said that be careful at that moment, and if it falls, be careful.
Yes, they set out now here, 1500 meters, 3 laps as they start from the other side, 3+ laps from the far side. The girl in the lead, Sanjana Singh, I repeat, a gold in the 5000 meters yesterday, trying to go in for a double. That's normally a very rare thing. It does happen or has happened in so many occasions. Men and women have won the 100 and the 200. Men and women have won the 200 and the 400. That's rare. Michael Johnson, the great American athlete. Surinder Singh of India, now a coach, a talent scout. Subedar Major in the Garhwal Rifles, now retired, of course. 5,000 and 10,000 meters. National record holder for many, many years. So the 5,000 and 10,000. Of course, we had a wonder girl from the Netherlands, Sifan, who won 3 medals at the last Olympic Games, including the 5,000 and the 10,000. So that's unique. 5,000, 10,000 in the marathon. Some endurance, isn't it? Some endurance. These are athletes whom I think come once in a lifetime. Athletes who win multiple medals. And that's why we keep on talking of Usain Bolt repeatedly. Olympics after Olympics, World Championships after one after the other. It's still Sanjana with now a full 3 laps to go. It should be in fact shorter than 3 because they will now come to the home straight, and then it will be 2 from there on. 800 meters. A tactical race that the two Indians are, and their strategy. The coaches do tell you that the strategy in the 800 meters for each can be varied, but the principle, of course, is to make sure that you don't overdo yourself, don't push yourself beyond a certain limit. In the women, it's still Sanjana. Sanjana it is. Kanaude with her. The Sri Lankan out close on their heels. Who has the stronger finish? That's going to be the big question at the far end. At the home straight now. Sanjana. Kanwade. There's a Sri Lankans now trying to slip in. Arachin Nimali. Sanjana under pressure. So too is Kanwade. But Sanjana has a stronger finish. So too is Kanwade. Look at the Sri Lankan. Nimali. That's a wonderful finish that we are heading to. The Sri Lankan goes into the lead. Gold seems to be slipping away from the Indians. Sanjana now bouncing back. Sanjana bouncing back. Is she going in for a double? That's close. That's close. She goes ahead. Inches ahead. Brush the tape. Takes the gold. Sanjana for India. A double for her. 5,000 yesterday.